Welcome everyone back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and today I'm excited because I've been waiting for these for a real long time. It's really hard to get them, but they are something special, and we're gonna go ahead and install them today. So I'll show y'all what's in the box. And they are finally here. And I know everybody's gonna say, oh, what is that? Just headlights. No, these are the fully blacked out headlights without having any of the orange. All right, so this is how they look. Of course, my dog always wants to help. I had to put the styrofoam behind them just so you can see how they look all together. But yeah, we're gonna install these today, and they're gonna make the truck look so much better. I cannot wait. And if you know, these are a little bit harder to find. You can always find the blacked out ones with the yellow corners, but the one with the clear corners, for me, for the past couple months they've been out, and finally once they restocked I ordered them. Yeah, let's go put them on. So these are my old ones. As you can see, they're old and hazy. The corners are not too bad. It's always just the main ones. But anyways, to take this off, we're gonna go ahead and take this one out first. I think we're gonna take the corners out before we can pull the headlights out. Well, you got a 10 mil here, you got a screwdriver here, a Phillips head, and another 10 mil, and this one should slide out, and then you're able to pull this out. But don't forget to unplug your lights. Once you remove the corner, again, nothing's holding it but a tab here, and it slides out forward, and there was a tab here. But then there's another third 10 millimeter that's holding the headlight. Make sure to take that out and don't break it. On the headlight, this is on the, especially like 05s to 07s, there's a tab right here that's attached to the headlight, and part of your wiring, you have this little light, and then I don't know what this does, but this is attached to the headlight. Make sure you take some pliers and just squeeze it. It'll pop right out. Again, it should be similar. Nothing should be really different. Again, all the tabs are there. But yeah, it should be simple. We're just gonna go ahead and put the new headlight in first. Once you get the light bulb in, then everything should be plug and play. You just gotta make sure you take these I don't know what they call their stickers on each hole, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then put the bulbs in. All right, so I got the bulb in. I'm just gonna put this seal back around it, and everything really so far been fitting pretty well. And I'm gonna go ahead and install these lights. See if they fit. That one fit, and this is the tab I was telling everybody about. Just put it back here, and you plug in the bulb. All right, guys, we got the headlight in, and all that's left is the corner light. Now that shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna go ahead and plug these up, and then once I get done, I'll show y'all the before and after on how each one looks. So the factory tab right here is bigger than this hole, so don't forget to get another tab from any auto parts stores, and it should be it. But everything is in. As you can see, the headlight looks pretty good on the truck. I mean, compare this to this, and as you can see, it makes it a big difference. It just makes the truck look a little bit meaner. So once you get that done and make sure everything works, then you move to the other side and you do the same thing that you did to that side. You know, pull the corner lights first and then the headlights. Once I get done with this one, I'll show y'all how the final product looks. All right, this is how they look when both sides are on. I really am in love with it. I thought it wouldn't go with the yellow, but it really changes the look of the truck, and it matches the color scheme I'm going for too, with all the black and chrome. I'm gonna put LED lights on, just waiting for them. So yeah, but if you want the same ones, I'll leave a link in the description for y'all to check them out. But look how mean it looks.